this is really one of the highlights. 4 partners, very stressful timing. Let's welcome them on stage. First one, Adesso. Good luck. Stick down.
Good afternoon. Good to see you. This is Laura. I'm Arne. So, let's see who we are.
We come from the pod, so we work hard and play hard.
We're the younger brother of CoreMedia. That's what I realized. We are 1 year younger, so we were founded in 1997.
And we have 44 offices around Europe, so we are always close to our customer.
And we are 7,000 happy Adessi, as we call ourselves.
And yes, we have 772 Adesso babies around the years. We really count them.
Laura, wait, that can't be true. Only 772 babies since 1997? No, that cannot be true.
Okay, I think we are already exposed because the slides you have seen before are our slides from 2022. That was our first time on stage on CoreMedia Connect. And yes, I think for some of you, these slides might be familiar. So who was there, who was part of Connect 2022? It's very dark, but I can see a lot of hands.
Some of them know us.
Yeah. And yes, why we started like this? Because we want to show you what has changed and what is still the same.
So basically, again, hi, we're Adesso.
So 4 years later, what has changed, Arne?
And now we come to the real figures, basically. So since 2027, we've grown to 12,000 people now. We have over 60 offices, and there we go. There's the figure, 1,600 Adesso babies since 1992. Thank you.
Yes, and what is new? So I think Gen AI is a part of our daily business now. And also Composable and Headless is not just a trend, it's part of every CMS project. And also our CoreMedia partnership is stronger over the years.
But some things haven't changed at all.
Yes, we are still from the pod, so our slogan is hard work, hard play. We partner with the best, CoreMedia, of course, on top of the list. And we still love great websites, we love great football, and yes, healthy food. We taught it healthy foods in 2022, so yes, Currywurst counts.
But in the end, well, we are still nerds at heart. Visit us at our booth. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us here.
Hello. Hi, everyone. Hi, we're Christopher and Clemens from CONET, and we're here today to tell you about CONET, but we're also here today to celebrate CoreMedia, 30 years of CoreMedia. That's a lot of good stories to tell. We heard a lot of good stories, but for us, it's also has been a story of a great partnership for almost 25 years, 24 point something years. We've been a partner, and you've probably known us by the name of Babil, but now, since December, we've evolved, and Babil is now part of CONET. We are still the same people and share the same mindset, but our offering has vastly evolved. CONET stands for security, for responsibility, and we are proud to represent that.
So what does CONET stand for? And what can you expect from us? We want to show you some of our values. And we are reliable, progressive. You can count on us while we keep moving forward and build solutions that last. We are bold, down to earth. We think ahead, but we don't chase every trend, as we today on some point mentioned. We focus on what really works for us, our clients and partners.
We are determined, pragmatic. We deliver what we promise. Even when things change, we adapt and focus on the goal. And finally, we are authentic, diverse. because the best solutions come from different perspectives.
So yes, a lot of things have changed for us. From Babil to CONET, the brand has evolved and our offerings have expanded. You can see on this chart our 9 focus topics for our focus markets that are shaping the future of digital services, from digital administration over agentic AI to citizen experience management.
And we would love to chat about these topics at our booth. And if there are some nostalgic people around, we might still have some old merchandise hanging around that you can grab, or some new one if you like. And if you are not free next week, you can join us together with CoreMedia at the CONET Innovation Day in Bonn. So if you're in the area next week, chat to us and we'll make it happen. Thank you.
CoreMedia will be there as well. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. My name is Konstantin. I'm from IBM iX, and iX stands for Interactive Experience, in case you ever wondered. I'm here to present IBM iX. We are part of IBM Consulting, although we don't have to sell IBM technology, which is often a good thing. Please don't quote me on that. And now you have a wonderful marketing slide which we're going to skip because nobody is interested in this kind of bullshit. We are focusing on our clients, and we have, I brought to you some of our 3 main projects here, which is the Netherlands Spoorwegen. Did I say it right? Thank you. And then you heard an interesting speech just seconds ago about the Bundeswehr. And the last project which I brought to you is the GDV, der Gesamtverband der Versicherer, and where CoreMedia acts as a central hub for all the GDV content, data, and activities. And more importantly, it's important to have a look who is actually here, not me, obviously as an expert, but the experts from IBM X are sitting here in the 1, 2, 3, third row. It's Christina, our lead data and solution architect for the Netherlands Spoorwegen. Tim, who might need to update his personal profile picture because he gained some weight and he's not 20 anymore. We talked about this before, so don't file any compliance topic or something like this. Then we have Marie and myself, and we are happy here for you. If you want to have chat, if you want to have a coffee after the presentations, we're here for you. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day. Bye.
Hello, everybody. It's all about 30 today. I'm not the first one to say that, but my 30 will be different, I promise. But first, a quick look back. So this is our website from 1996. I think it's fancy. And it was founded 1 year before CoreMedia. And we've been working together since CoreMedia exists. And that's not only 30 years of partnership, that's also 30 years of shared history. And now let me tell you why the next 30 months will matter more than the last 30 years. In the next 30 months, the world will produce more content than in the last 30 years combined. And this is not a forecast, this is happening right now. I'm Christina Manoliu. I'm leading the tech and content business unit at init. We're a digital company and we build platforms for the public sector and also for corporate clients. And we deal with this question every day. How do you stay relevant and visible in this tsunami of content? Now, let me show you some data that you already know, I'm sure. So 30% of Google traffic to publishers is gone. Not declining, just gone. 60% of all new web pages are created with AI. And in my opinion, they're empty. There's no depth, no expertise, just noise. And last, 60% of all searches end without a click. So users get their answer from AI summaries and they won't visit your website. So the question is no longer, how do we rank better? The question is, how do we get noticed at all? So what do? It's not more content, it's better content. So first, review what you've got. Most content isn't ready for the new era. It's been built for Google and not for AI agents. So build up an AI review process and then update your content as if you were creating it from scratch. And second, your content must work for both journeys. So for humans, it must be visual, authentic, trustworthy. And for AI agents, it must be well-structured, data-rich, citable. So it's not about producing more, it's about producing smarter. And at init, we do this every day. We help organizations audit their content, build for both journeys, and stay visible. And if you would like to discuss how to stay visible in the next 30 months, I'm happy to discuss it with you after this session. Thank you.